Hi, I'm Lily, and I'm here to show you as a HiHello business or HiHello enterprise admin how to set up card templates and invite users to their cards. First, we're going to start in the company area, then in the left-hand toolbar, we can click to the templates page. Here, we can click Create New to start our template. Now, we can start by customizing the information on the template starting in the General tab. This includes personal information like first and last name. We'll make sure first and last names are set as required and editable, while the other name fields are optional, so our employees can customize any other details that apply to them. Now we can scroll down and adjust things like title, department, company, and headline. We are going to make the company required and non-editable to ensure that no one changes the company name. We can also make things like department required and add our company headline. Once we've got the general information selected, we can go to the Display tab to adjust how all of our employees' cards will look. We can start by choosing a card design, requiring a profile photo, and adjusting colors. Company colors will automatically be selected from your company profile. However, you can also choose from the 10 pre-selected colors or customize even further using RGB, HSL, hex, or use the color picker. We'll use the color picker to choose our primary and secondary colors based on our logo. Now that our colors match company branding, we can upload our logo to the template. We'll upload our logo and make that required and non-editable so that it is consistent across all cards. Once the template looks how we want, we're going to click over to the Fields tab to select the information we want to appear on the card. You can see all of the available options to add information to a template. Most companies will start with things like a website and email, but you can include things like calendar links, phone numbers, social media, PDFs, and so much more. There's also the option to manage fields and lock anything you don't want employees adding to their cards. For example, we don't want anyone to add Venmo or PayPal to their cards, so we'll lock that field, then click Done to save those settings. Once you've perfected all the information you want on all of your cards, we'll click the Template tab and create a name for this template. You can also add a description to help with internal organization. Then we can click Save. Now your template is complete. So it's time to start inviting employees to create their cards. We'll click the Invite button here and enter our employee's name and email address, and then we can click Add. We can keep adding employees' information, or we can click Invite to finish. Now your employee can claim their card and customize the editable fields themselves, so you don't have to worry about adjusting each individual card. To learn about the card claim process, look for a link in the description below, and if you need any help using HiHello, make sure to look in our Help Center for answers and to contact support.